Good evening, everyone. It's a great pleasure to welcome on day three. And today we have with us Mr. Pritham Agarwal from Bangalore. Before I introduce him, I would like to remind everyone that today on the portals they would have been posted with Family Challenge number three, easy family challenge for uh, fireless cooking. So everyone might have got enough of content to engage with their families for today or probably next coming days. We have uh, we have 4 days to go before we actually start the summit. We have 4 days more before we start the summit, and today we have Mr. Preetham Agarwal, who is the director of Hello Kids. Hello Kids is one of India's leading chains of preschool. They have more than 650 preschools pan India. He is a vice president of Early Childhood Association. He's also a national core committee member of Early Childhood Association. Preetham sir is a father of twins, a girl and a boy, of 5.5 years old, and he has been a daunting father. What I've seen him for last 5 years. So Preetham sir, you have been my inspiration in terms of how you engage with your kids. I've been seeing so many posts, the way you have played role as a father. So today we want all our viewers to be enlightened with the fact that what is the role of father in the entire upbringing in parenting. Yesterday we had Neha speaking about what sort of a parenting styles you have. So Neha was basically addressing that every parent should know what sort of a parenting style they have. And today we all want to evolve to a situation that how should a father be involved in the entire parenting process. So there is a parenting style which both a husband and a wife needs to discover or probably agree to. And once they both are on the same page, then what is the role of father in different parenting styles? So, firstly, in your entire experience, we would want to know that what ideally a father should do, and as per different parenting styles, what should be ideal father's role in the entire journey. So, over to you, Pritam bhai.
Thank you, Aditya, for this wonderful summit. And it's my pleasure to be here and sharing my experiences as a father. And to be precisely says, I am a father who is 2033 days of experience as, as, on,
Wow.
as on today. All right. So it is a very short journey, I'll say, as a father, but I'll say long journey as a son. As a son, if I see myself, 39 years of journey as a son. So I'll be sharing my experiences with my 2033 days of father's experience and a son experiences which I had it from my father since last 39 years. So friends, it was an amazing platform from Aditya and team, India's first online parenting summit, and where I'm really following the last 2 days, and I am seeing Aditya very proactive in bringing people onto this platform. Aditya, my first question to you and the audience today: how many fathers are really listening this online? On a very huge marketing which we have done and promoted a role of a father in today's life, right? How many fathers are really watching? Let's see, let's give a 30 seconds time and let's see how many you are getting their names on the board. If any fathers
Wow.
are really listening, please come back with your name and your location fast. 30 seconds we have. Say a father from Vadodara. Let's see, we can write that. Aditya,
Great.
are you getting any responses?
Yes, I'm following up with the responses.
Just check it. How many fathers are really listening on today's this thing? Or again, we have mothers.
I think I think we might have more mothers who would probably relate back to a father.
And they are
I
all
don't.
going to they are all going back and explaining about today's session. All right, friends, let's continue and understand that if a lot of others are really listening me today, friends, not much of experience, but yes, I love to share my experiences. Uh, my journey being a father as an educator is totally different. Yes, I understand, I am from this education background, and I am really taking care of the young kids, and this really, so I as a father, not not I will not say that I became a father just after my kids, but yes, the day I started these preschools, that journey has started, right? So we do have that experiences also. It was very difficult for me in the initial days, that there are a lot of parents, there are a lot of people who were saying, without these experiences as a father, how you are going to manage a childhood education which you have already entered to a preschool industry. So his journey has taught me a lot, and even a very first role model of myself, my father, has given me a lot of experience to share today. So I will not talk about what is the theories written on Google about if you have a father, you have a full-time father, you have a part-time father, you are an active father, you are a non-active father. Friends, these tags are not given by anyone. Maybe we are just discussing with our partners as wife, they have given us some tax, right? But yes, we are as responsible as a parent, and yes, we should, right? Nobody has given us this responsibility as a father, right? We have we have taken this decision, and as soon as you decide to have a child, right, the day, as soon as you decide to be being a parent, that day onwards your role of a father, it starts. I will not say the day when the child gets birth, that is the day when you started uh, understanding yourself as a father. But yes, the day you and your wife decided to have a baby, that is the day when your role starts. And I was well in, not just because it was my initial interest or I comes from a joint family, but yes, it was a lot of my personal interest that I want to be a full-time father. So in that initial journey, let's go back to my topic, not from my 5.5 years of experience as a father, but I'm going to go back to me and myself as a son. What I have understood, because the role of a father, it really differs with the age where we are in. A father who is very young, for a young child, a newborn child, uh, before the birth, I said there is a father role, right? And even after the birth and how you are growing. So I'll give you a small three stories about my way, how I have seen my father, right? Whatever, friends, whatever I am today, it is just because of my father, let's say, and my family. But let's say I'll give you the understanding, because the topic of today is father's role in our life. So I'll share my some experiences from my father, so that we understand the my way of bringing my child, those who are Slok and Sachi, those who are 5.5 years old. Friends, uh, from a business family, my father has, I'll say, he had something, or he was not having anything. I do not say about that lines, but yes, uh, he was little strict in the initial days, and but he never had lot of control in our decisions. He always had left some decisions with the time, right? That he never asked me that what subject I want to study, where I want to study, right? So he has left every time, he has given us a scope to take our own decisions, which is a very, very, very important role in my life. So when it was my first time, I'll tell you, uh, after my 10th, I was in Orissa. I'm from a very small village, right? Even the village population is 5,000, and even we have a house there. We go there every year, and we let's understand that small village. We used to go to a school which was almost 13 kilometers away from my village. So he has done his best to get that education to us. But I'll say from that village, he tried to send it us to Delhi. When he was sending us to Delhi after that 10th, he never decided that I will take commerce or I'll go towards arts or I'll do a science, not just because of my previous marks, but he has never asked us till I got admitted to a commerce class. right? So there was no intervention, no discussion. It was a right, only my decision which I have taken, right? So it was his role that I should go there, I should take admission, or he should get me admission, and that's it. At 10th standard, right? At 10th standard, he only went once to Delhi to drop us and to leave us at my uncle's place. It is his younger brother who used to stay in Delhi. We used to stay with him, right? So my journey from that village to Delhi, right? It was his decision. The subject was not his decision. But when I'll say something, when we used to travel back home for holidays, when we used to decide when we are going back, he never asked about how you will get your tickets, right? He never asked us how you are staying there, what food you had, what you had in the breakfast, how you are washing your dresses, how the things are happening. Trust me, that is what is happened to our lives. I'll tell you something. He never, I think that he was the person behind. Even my mother has never asked us all this, that what food you had dinner, you had breakfast, you had lunch, are you all right, do you need this, do you need money? So he never allowed my mom even to ask us this question of how we are. Friends, very, very important. When he used to come back on our holidays, he never said that how to get your tickets. Who will get you the tickets? It is us at 10th standard. We have to go to the railway counters. We have to get our own tickets. We have to book our own tickets, and we have to travel alone in a sleeper class train ticket. I know he can afford that train, which is a AC. He can afford a third AC, second AC, first class AC tickets, even in 96, 98, but he has never offered us that, right? So that was the first. So we understood that we have never got all this. Second is that this was the decisions, this was the independent he wants to build us, and this is how we are today. Now, second is a fear. I had a lot of fear when I was very young. I used to I used to have a fear from the dark. So he knew it, and there was a situation once at a small village, because we do not have a good hospital. Our hospital was 4 kilometers away from my village, and there was a small clinic at my village, and which was only the doctor in the area. So one fine night, my house to the doctor's clinic was almost a kilometer. So one fine night, my mother was very sick, right? She was not well, and my father wanted, it was night 11:30, 12 o'clock. The whole house or the whole village was silent, and you know the dark, no street light, nothing, right? It's a dark. And that day, I was on a 7th standard or 8th standard, right? My father said, we both, either you have to go to the doctor, or I have to go to the doctor. So let's decide who is going to the doctor to get the doctor to home, so that your mothers can be taken care of. And obviously, it was me who has to go, and it was knowingly he wanted me to go. Friends, that day I know how I went that 1 kilometer, right? Going 1 kilometer and coming back night 11:30 without a scooter or a cycle, right? How runningly I went there, I got the doctor home. So that fear, he was consistently knowing it, when I should send Pritam, when he should experience this, to have that fear out of his mind. Friends, he even sent me to a nearby village to get medicine one fine night, right? That he knew that there'll be only one bus at 7 p.m. So he has to go to the other village, he has to get that medicine, he has to take the same bus on time so that he can reach home. And that is what he decided on that day. So this kind of parenting we have been experienced. When I was in the college, when my friends used to get 15, 20,000 rupees per month, I used to get 5,000 rupees per month, and even I have to give my father a list of my expenses for the full month. So friends, at at a graduation level, right, as a post graduation level, you get 5,000 rupees, which is, I'll say 2,000, the year 2000, you get 5,000 rupees staying in Delhi, and you have to write your expenses, and every month you have to make a note and send it to your parent by a courier. Friends, I know, I have been told by my mother that he has never opened that envelopes. He has never opened that envelopes which we used to send with our expenses, but he was very strict to get that envelopes every month. Even at 5,000 rupees, we have to give our expenses. And that is, yes, really, we at this age, we realize what is the importance of that money right now. He wanted us to go to, I'll give you a small brief again. As a business family, as a not a very good student, I knew that after my graduation, I'm going back to my father's business. As soon as I went back after my 12th, after my graduation, he said me one thing: Pritam, you are too young to enter to the business. If you still need some more education, if you really want to experience life, you want to go away for another 1 or 2 years of course, you are free to go. This was the decision after my graduation. This was the 3, 4, 5 lines by my father, that why you want to enter. Once you enter this life, you will never be able to come back out of it. So yes, after that, I decided that I'll go and do post-graduation for next 2 years. After the post-graduation for 2 years, after I went back home after my studies, I knew that I'm not going to go back anywhere. I have to go and join my father's business. Again, he said the same thing. Now you have completed your post-graduation. You have another 2 years of time. If you want to do something, if you want to go somewhere, you can definitely do that. And I want, your younger brother is there. He's in UK. If you want to go and experience that life, you can definitely go back and come. So friends, it was his decision that I should go out. I should explore the world. I should fear everything. And he never decided which passport, which country, which travel, what tickets, what time. Trust me, he never asked us. He never asked us that what food we are having. Are we all good? Are we all doing good? Do you need money? That is, he had never asked us. So friends, all these experiences says that he always wanted us to be independent. So that is my role. See, even as a not a good student, I was never a good student. I cannot prepare myself for that exam which is coming up. Trust me, right? If I like something, I'm okay with it. But yes, all these life skills given by my father, how he has really brought us, friends. We very, I'm staying on a platform to be very precise. We are 3 brothers. We have started all this good. We are all doing good right now, but there is no money given by the parents. They have given us scope, they have given us the thought process. And yes, he is rich, but he never offered money from his side, and we have never asked for it. We knew that there is somebody behind us. We knew that there is a strong father behind us. We went with our problems, and he never solved it. He said, what you think on this situation, do as per your understanding. If you do something wrong, come back to me. I'm there for you. So friends, this is my experience as a son. Always a father wanted the child to be independent. He should explore the things himself. He should take his own decisions. He should not have fear. Right, friends? He told me when we were starting our own businesses, he said, you will have a lot of challenges. There'll be a lot of competitions. There'll be a lot of people who will try to pull you out. There'll be a lot of political things. Never ever have fear. Right? They may be the presidents in America. They may be the presidents of the world, but you are your own presidents. Right? You do not have any fear of anyone. So friends, what is this? A parent is giving you a clear message that you are strong, you are strong enough to take your decisions. And that is how he has brought you here. So all my credits, all my basic, if I'm a businessman, if I'm doing business, if I'm successful, if I do manage my time, see friends, to be very precise, he still works more number of hours than us today. Friends, he is a father, he is a businessman. Even if I works for 8-10 hours a day, he works for 14 hours a day even today, right? This is to not say that, this is to say the son that if I can work for 14 hours a day, why can't you? We need to understand that part as a role model. Friends, that is my journey as a son. So let's see how at this young, as a responsibility as a father, 2033 days, if I'm counting myself, right? How, what I can really bring that changes in my child. Friends, everything what I have done, I cannot expect from my child. I can try, but I cannot guarantee myself. Whatever I have not done, I cannot ask my child to do, which is wrong, right? So let's understand the situation. But all this, Swati madam spoke on the day one, right? Same parenting, SAME, same parenting. Neha talked about different, yesterday Neha talked about different parenting styles. Friends, this is what I say, your experiences as father is every day, it is a new experiences for yourself, right? We cannot really do any courses on parenting. It is all practical experiences. You as a son who has experienced, and you as a father who are going to use it practically. With the time, it will change. Your parenting style will never be the same. Your situation will never be the same. Your timing will be different, right? Your child is growing. That need to be understood. So friends, I think I've given you an understanding for a parenting when I was as a son. Let me go back to this thing. So as a preschool owner, right, and as a good husband, right, we decided to be a parent. It was not Sunita who decided to be a parent. It was not me who decided to be a parent. We as a husband and wife decided to be a parent. So we also as a father holds almost equal responsibility to bring that child, to bring up that child, to make them the good citizen, to be the best possible, to give the best possible parenting to that child. Friends, as I said, the day you decided to be a father, the day you wanted to be a father, that is where your role of a father starts. Your involvement with your partner, your discussion with your partner, your caring for that partner during that, even that 9 months of pregnancy is also talks about how responsible you are going to be as a father. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि let's get, अभी बच्चे तो पैदा होने दो, then we'll see about our fatherhood. No, friends. No. It is your inner responsibility. You have to think about that responsibility, and ये responsibility nobody should offer you. कोई हमें responsibility देता हो तो हमें लगता है ये कौन है responsibility देने वाला? No, friends. It is we. Even I should feel that I should take more responsibility for my child than even Sunita can take. But ये मैं सोचूंगा, if I think I'll be able to do that. If I will not think about it, I will not be able to do that. So think about what is called parenting all about. Now let's talk about father. Do you know what is the question comes to your mind when you think about father in parenting? Can you all write for me? Aditya, if you are listening, can I see what is the question we are getting it on our text? What is the first thing you think when you think about role of a father in parenting? What comes to your mind? What is the single word or the first question comes to your mind? Aditya, can we read one or two lines for a word?
Yes, Pritam, we are just waiting for it. It's generally a minute of lag.
Yes. Any word, any questions comes to your mind when you
So
relate
Deepak
parenting?
Bharadia is saying they are all born with their purpose, and we as parents should give them their space to do what they want to do in their life. Our job as parent is to provide resources and guide and mentor them.
All right.
Then we have Sonia who's saying good cop, bad cop. Then Anita is saying bread earner. Mudit is saying mentoring. We have Ratnavali Das saying responsibility. Harsh saying guide the child. Himashri saying support the family. Ketki Bhag saying caretaker, risk taker. We have Tanvi Sharma saying responsibility.
All right.
Srinivasan saying role model. Neha Singh saying role model. Jayashri saying responsibility. So role model, responsibility, and mentoring seems to be the most popular one.
All right, friends. I was expecting the same, and I got it. All right. So I have something to say, but now. So when I say about fatherhood, right? Fatherhood, really, friends. I will relate fatherhood to time, right? Responsibilities, resources. All right. Role model, mentoring. All these things starts with the first word called time. It is the time what we spent, how we are involved with that process. Newborn to the growing ages, time. And when I say time, it talks about regularity also, friends. And let's go back home today. And trust me, I'm really get upset when I think a day that I
Pritam bhai, I think we lost you. 1 second. I think because of the net connectivity issue, Pritam bhai will join us in a minute. I think he will be relogging. Just a minute, and we'll start over again.
I'm really sorry. Some disconnection on this. Aditya, we are live.
We are live, Pritam bhai, but we are not able to see you.
You are not able to see me. Is that fine now?
No, we are still not able to see you. Yeah, now this is perfect. Audio is also good.
All right. So,
Okay,
friends,
so we
we are
lost you. We lost you when
yes,
you were just talking about the most
time.
expected answers.
Yes.
Okay.
So, friends, the very important thing is for me when we say role of father comes with the time what we spend with our kids. Very, very, very important. What resources comes after, right? What mentorship comes after? What is their requirement comes after? What is our relationship comes after? The first thing comes to is how much time, right, we spend with our kids. Friends, when me and Sunita were discussing about to have a child or after the birth, right? It was not that the child is very young. I know when the child gets in the initial stages, The child do not requires you because he is almost in the bed and almost with the mothers for most of the time. But even, yes, if you feel that you are a father, if you think that you are going to be devoting a lot of time, we have a lot of things to do with that child. Changing diapers, feeding kids, right? Being with them, playing with them for hours, not only for some minutes in a day. That makes a complete father. I say that for as for my experiences. But yes, how to bring that time, how to get that, how to spend that, it is your decision, friends. And really, there is nothing to prove to the world that you are a full-time father or you are a concerned father, you are an active father. But yes, I will suggest being a involved parent, right? These are all words because I get myself involved to my kids on everyday basis from the first day of pregnancy, right? Going to a hospital. I know Sunita is well educated. I have resources as a driver a car. She can go to a doctor for the normal test, routine test, diagnostic centers, scannings. But yes, I wanted to have all that experiences as a father, and I was always with my wife, right? Right? Not only because she requires me, because I wanted to experience my fatherhood. So, friends, it is your decision. Nobody can train you, nobody can teach you, nobody can force you that you go and do this thing with your child. Friends, it is you who has to think. Only the think process. See, T is for time and think is for think. Both you have. Nobody can touch your time and thinking process. You decide how much time I will give, and you think how I can be involved into with my child on everyday basis. Friends, they are not your part-time son and daughter. Then how can we say ourselves as a part-time father, right? If they are your full-time son and daughter, we are also to be a full-time father or a mother, right? So understand, are we involve them? Do we engage them, or we are having some engagement with them on an everyday basis? Are we available for them? Do we have some responsibility on an everyday basis? It is only Sunita's responsibility to take care of my kids. कब स्कूल जाना है, when should they will should come, what is the breakfast, lunch and dinner, right? What to be how the homework to be done, right? Who will take them to the for the vaccination, who will take them for the classes, right? It is on a everyday basis. Even for their education, I will talk about some relationship with the school and the father. Yes, there are some responsibility of the father to a school also, to the doctor's clinic also, friends. Then we talk about our communication with our child, which is very 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 important. कि मैं अपने बच्चों से बात करता हूं, नहीं करता हूं. How much time I talk with them? Do I really spend good time speaking to them, playing with them, sharing my experiences? My kids love my stories. I speak to them जब मैं छोटा था stories. So they ask for me, Papa, we want to listen. We don't want to listen to that animal stories, fairy stories, but we want to listen stories from your childhood. पापा हमें जब आप छोटे थे वो वाला स्टोरी सुनना है. And I try to do some stories, yes, which there are a lot of learning comes into that. Friends, till the time I, as a father, will not eat that vegetables in front of him or her, right? In front of Chanky and Chia, right? I try to eat all that vegetable possible in my life, which even I have not had it in my life. If I am not going to eat that, they are not going to eat, friends. We need to understand it. If I do not have milk regularly, if I will not have that food on time, if I will not have a sleep on time, if I do not listen to Sunita, if my relationship with Sunita is not right, if we are fighting, right, if we have anger, we cannot give that time and space to the child. The child is listening you on everyday basis. My relationship with Sunita is most important when we are really communicating to the child. मैं तो बोलता हूं आप लड़ाई मत करो. I'm asking you, you brother and sister don't fight, but we are setting an example by fighting with husband and wife. So it will not make sense. My angerness, we lose patience lot of time, right? And friends, no negativities. Till the time you are a father, positive, right? The positive and patience. So time, right? I said time and think, two T's and two P's. P's is patience, right? And positiveness, which is very, very important when you upbringing a child. So you're planning with a child, friends. Uh, I try to do something new with my kids on every time basis. So, friend, I'll give you some example. Till the time you had a good relationship with your child, you are spending time, it means you have good relationship, right? If you are engaged with them, it means they are listening to you. If you are communicating with them, it means they are understanding you. If you are really spending time with them, it means they know you, that you love your child. Friends, it takes a lot of time to make your child mentally prepare for anything in the life, right? So uh, patience, positiveness, and when you talk about a good communication and time, your process of a father gets a very important role. I know a father and son relationship, a father and a daughter relationship. See, your behavior as a male, right, as a father, what is teaches to your daughter, that how she sees males, राइट? एक मेल को कैसे देखना है? एक फादर मेरा बहुत शांत है, ही इज स्मार्ट, ही इज रियली एक्टिव, ही इज फिजिकली फिट, ही ट्राई टू डू दिस. सो दे स्टार्ट एज्यूमिंग दैट मेरा रोल मॉडल ऐसा होना चाहिए, मेरा हस्बैंड ऐसा होना चाहिए, मेरा, एंड दे डू एक्सपेक्ट द सिमिलर इन लाइफ, राइट? So we need to understand that part also. And obviously, as a father, you are going to mentor your child with your experiences, with your talks, with your when we talk about different theories, right? When we talk about different theories, even Swati madam said, it changes with the time. And you are you you have to involve your child not only in the initial years, but as the child's growing, right? लगता है मुझे कि I have to more involved with my child. ऐसा नहीं कि बड़ा बच्चा हो रहा है तो my time should reduce. So friends, be prepared that with the time you are not going to reduce your engagement, you are not going to reduce your time, right, with your child. It has to go on increasing ways. Your child is growing, so he needs more time from you. He needs a more thought process from you, right? So that we need to understand. Different parenting styles, when Neha yesterday, if you go through that, you'll be able to understand what are the different parenting styles. But you have to decide with your experience that where I fit in. So आपको दो तीन काम करना. You have to do two, three things. What resources we can give it to them, what you cannot give it to them, how you can be involved, how much time in a day you are there. ऐसा नहीं है कि before they go for school you are leaving house, and after you comes home, right, they have already slept, right? So friends, I spend, when I will talk about my this thing, my kids are 5.5 years of age. The first day, I'm talking about the first day of the school till today, till let's say yesterday, leave the COVID period. If I'm at home, I'm not traveling, it will be my job, right, from the night alarm time to the waking up in the morning, to take them to the bathroom, to make them ready, to have that milk, right, to have that changing of dress, bath, it until that bus stop. It is my responsibility, friends. And Sunita has never given this responsibility to me. So I know that as I will not be available in the later part of the day, this is the time when I can be with my son and daughter. And I know once I am back in the evening 7:30, I know that these kids will sleep by 9:30. So that 7:30 onwards till 9:30, I know that I am free. I'm myself after 9:30. But yes, these 2 hours, from that dinner time to that story time, from the changing of dress, from that night milk, it is my responsibility. And Sunita has not given me this. So now you need to say, let's not take the tag from our wives, our partners, that you are a part-time father or you are a full-time father. So friends, we do have some fear for our kids. I do have a fear. They will be able to perform, they will not be able to perform, they are going to do the best, they are going to be the best businessman or not, or they are going towards the job. Friends, not the time. Not the time to think about all this. But yes, do best with your time and communication with your child, right? Everything is going to have the good. As madam said, it is not to be a friend. You do not need to be a friend with your child. Yesterday Swati, day before yesterday Swati madam said very clearly, it is not that friendship, it is that communication which is important with your child. Do you talk to them on an everyday basis? Do you listen to them? Do you show that anger to them? We need to understand that every child is different. Even my kids, they are twins, they are totally two different individuals. Not because they are boy and girls, but even in the thought process. And I am very proud to say that I have given a lot of like experiences. Even friends, I have planned for a holiday with my kids 5.5 years without Sunita. Even that I want to experience that how these young kids will behave with me when I travel alone with them to a holiday destination, right? When I travel with them, I speaks a lot, we plan a lot, and at 5 years, 5.5 years, they know which is flight, what is window seat, aisle seat, middle seat, what is tickets, what is airport, what is the passport, which hotel, which taxi, right? They understand it because that communication is there, that planning is there with that young kids, right? Speaking communication should not be reduced with the kids. It is not only the stories which every photographs, I'll say as a parenting father, I click a lot of pictures and we all together watch lot of photos again and again. It is sharing our memories, and every picture talks about thousands of words and stories, right? So understand your involvement, what you can do as a father is very important. Even I am tired, I go back home and I say I want to do something I have planned, I will go. Even I want to take them to a ATM machine at night 10 o'clock on Saturday, or even after Sunita and uh, uh, Sachi has slept night, I am ready to go out with Chanki for 2 hours. And I've seen a very changed daughter. I've seen a very changed son when I'm alone without anybody else with them. Spending time together in a group, spending time individually also makes a lot of difference with your child. So friends, parenting doesn't come with your researches. Parenting will come with your experiences, right? So time, right? Timing and think, positiveness and what you call as patience. Both, all these four words are very important key roles, key points when we are really upbringing a very strong child in the future. So friends, definitely spend time with your child, talk to them, and they, let's see, teach them whatever. See friends, even I was, right, uh, I say I 365 days activity. I say I want to make them, I want to give them the best of experiences of the world. I want, see, education, everything is education, friends. Every experiences talks about lot of stories. So if you can spend a lot of good time, even it's a fun, learning, travel, going out, going to shopping. See, friends, I love my child, but I go and watch a Bollywood movie, right? I love my kids and I go to a play area. I go to a restaurant for me and Sunita, and I go to a restaurant for Shlok and Sachi, makes a lot of difference. So we do have special time when we go out only for Shlok and Sachi. It means no other job. If we are going out for with Shlok and Sachi, it is their job, their shopping, their food, their location. And we do have a good planning. We do ask them. And even we take a lot of this thing. Even for cooking, even for food, right? We all talk, discuss, and do. So that, see, api ne to bola tha ye khane ke liye, right? You plan what you're going to eat. So they don't trouble, right? What you are going to eat in the afternoon, let you tell us so that it will be there for you, right? So when you are getting your child involved, the communication is clear and precise. It is very smooth, friends, right? Play a lot of games, right? Take printouts, do coloring, whatever you can do it with your kids. You have to get involved yourself. Friends, if you do not know a lot of things, even you have to get yourself prepared. मुझे पता है, I have to talk about a lot of things which I even do not know. So I have to go back, I have to prepare myself and go back to my child. No issues. And if you do not know anything, tell, beta, really I do not know. I have to go get myself prepared and I'm going to tell you tomorrow or day after, and don't forget about it, because they don't forget about it. So friends, when we are really understanding as a father, you should be his first role model, then you are really winning the stages. And if your child do not see that man, that uh, that role model, who is not healthy, who is not eating healthy, who is really not speaking, who is really not giving time, who do not have a timetable, who do not understand this, they are not going to follow you. They are not going to listen to you, because they are growing on an everyday basis, right? So relationship with your kids with time, communication, relationship with your wife, partner, which is very, very important for being a very effective father. So friends, definitely I'm here to take some questions or something which I can share with you all. So over to you, Aditya. If you have any question, we can definitely take. Uh,
Absolutely. So
take
we require about a minute or two till we have questions coming in. So I really liked the way Preetam bhai you summarize, saying that a father's role as a responsibility is firstly which is taken and not something which is given by a mother. It is not that you have been assigned certain duties by your wife saying कि तुमको ये bus stop पे छोड़ना है और तुमको ये करना है. How willingly you can take this responsibility is very important. That is first takeaway from your session, which I think is very important. Second thing which I think is important from your session, which I would really like all the fathers to know, is that being a tough father also really makes a lot of difference. What sort of an experience you want to give your child, what sort of an experience a child should go through, so that it doesn't show that you love him less or you love him more. It's just that you have to tell him that probably probably this sort of an experience is required for you to be a tough man. And
very true. As a strong
so
father I had, so we
hmm,
understand what are his strong point and how, because of that strongness, we are here today.
absolutely. So one question which was on top of my mind, Preetam bhai, is that you seem to be like a very non-authoritarian father, or sort of a father who would probably talk out things with most of the with your children, like you said, the communication with your child or me time with your child. What are the recommendations you would have for an authoritarian sort of a father? Because there are multiple ways of fathering, and there are few fathers who like certain things, like a disciplinarian father.
Sometimes your child needs some preparation. That is what I'm saying. Everything, if you want your child to be very good for that situation, you have to mentally prepare the child in well in advance, right? I'll give you an example to give you this answer also. Every year, me and Sunita will go for a travel for around 8 to 10 days without kids. That is me and Sunita's time, let's say. Whenever we go, some 2-3 months prior in advance, we start speaking to Shlok and Sachi that we are going for this work, we are going for this travel, we are going without you, we will not be able to call you, we have work, we have these things, right? and you have to be there with chacha, chachi, dada, dadi at home, right? And we'll be back after 7-8 days. And this is one day, you cannot say and go tomorrow morning. That's it. You have to prepare them for 7-8 days or 10 days in advance. So if you are going to have, you are able to foresee some problems, right? You are going to leave your child in some space, and you know that the child can do that things which you are not expecting. So getting very instruction. आप वहां जा रहे हो, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, आप ही डिसाइड करो, right? See, when childs understand, they can speak. At these 5.5 years, they know उनको क्या करना है, नहीं करना है. उनको पता है कि what my father is expecting, कि टाइम पे खाना खाना है, किसी के साथ लड़ाई नहीं करना है, मुझे यहाँ से बाहर नहीं जाना है. I'll give you another example, Aditya. We all, even if we join a corporate world, first day they will take you to a tour of your corporate office. Am I right? So similarly, in some 3, 4, 5 months of time, even you can take your child to the whole house. This is the corner. This is for the safety. You need to take care of this part. This is the balcony. You are not going into the balcony alone at any time. You want to go to the balcony, ask any elders to accompany you. This is the refrigerator. This is the microwave oven. You ask, if you need this, you are allowed to touch this, but you ask somebody's help, right? So when you have some good understanding situation, you know what is going to happen, then you have to tell them, mentally prepare and ask for their decisions also. आप क्या करोगे नहीं करोगे ये पहले आप ही बताओ. So उनको पता है, my father wants that हमें चुपचाप ठीक से खाना खाना है टाइम पे, हमें किसी से लड़ाई नहीं करना है, and I will not go out in the balcony, I will ask somebody for this help. मैं अगर अंकल के साथ गाड़ी में जा रहा हूं, I will never open the door without uncle's permission. So if you have the some set of guidelines given it to them, and these guidelines you have not done, you have made them sit together and you all have decided that this should be our rules and regulation. This is not my rules and regulation, this is our rule and regulation.
Perfect. Thank you, Preetham bhai. The next question is from we have Sonia addressing a question, and Sonia says that they have a teen daughter, and the father is very possessive about the daughter, and there are a lot of conflicts and between wife and father because of the daughter, not personal conflicts, but the way because of possessiveness of father. So what are the things you recommend for a teenage girl's father should be following? That is followed up with 2 more questions saying ki how your role as a father should evolve with the age. So teenage father role is one aspect. Before that, the bigger problem is, like you said, that you are being a father to a 5.5-year-old, but as the kids will enter into teenage or adolescent or probably adult age, how would your role evolve? At what stage you have to be more friendly? At what stage communication can work? Because mostly in teenage they are into a rebellious sort of a mode, so they are, as parents, are not able to handle that. So can you please recommend?
Okay. So with my experience as a son, I will give you an example. All right, I'll give you an example to make you this understanding as a son, which I have learned it from my father. So the first thing when you are asking this question, the first thing comes to our mind is trust. We have to trust our kids first. They should 100% believe that my parents trust my activities. What I am going to do, what I am doing, right? They understand it. And when we as a parent communicate this thing to the child that, dear son and dear daughter, we completely trust you, right? And we expect the same from you also. That is to be very precisely, we should communicate them on a clear terms. Right, friends? We want you to grow in life. We want to have the best of the things in life. We are there for you. We care for you. But yes, this is your father's and mother's reputation. This is your life. and this is how we want you to be. So if anything happening wrong with you, even we are responsible for it, right? So it is you, come back to us, talk to us. If you are not good, if you are thinking something wrong, if you are not feeling comfortable, you have to come back and tell us, so that trust continues, which is very very important. Because these words I'll give you, ये very precise होगा बताने के लिए, और I do not mind saying this thing. When I was going out of my house for the first time, it was after 10th, my father, in different words, he has tried to communicate to me that you are allowed, we are leaving you, right? We are leaving you. I know that we will be without our son, without our elder son, and definitely we are not feeling good by leaving you in this hostel, or we are leaving it to you for a very far distance. We want everything to happen good about you, but yes, you have to respect our decision, so that tomorrow nobody will be able to say that हमने तेरे को जानबूझ के बाहर भेजा था and you got this responsibility not achieved. We don't expect marks from you, we don't want you to be the very best in the world, but yes, you have some responsibility towards your parents. एक parents ये नहीं देखना चाहता है कि the child is growing on a wrong path, वो ये देखना चाहता है कि बच्चा ठीक ठाक है और अच्छा है. So if we are communicating this thing to a child with the right age, उसको भी समझना है कि किस एज में बात करना है. And when you are talking to these teenagers, right? Even now I can feel, because I stay in Bangalore and I am a guardian of lot of college and school student parents here in Bangalore. I understand that a lot of negativities with our kids is very very difficult. हमें उनको बाइक देना ही है तो हमें मना क्यों करना है, और देना है तो देना है, नहीं देना है तो नहीं देना है. That we need to understand, right? So when we are dealing with teenagers, communication has to be very, एक डिस्कशन मोड होना चाहिए, एक कंक्लूजन होना चाहिए. कंक्लूजन में उनको भी एक्सेप्ट करना है कि yes we are okay with this conclusion, right? जो ऑथोरिटेरियन पेरेंट्स की हम बात कर रहे थे आदित्य, we need to understand ऑथोरिटेरियन पेरेंट्स कुछ जगह पे बहुत अच्छा होता है, पर कुछ जगह पे टीनेजर्स उसको नेगेटिवली ले लेते हैं. वो इसलिए ले लेते हैं कि हम उनकी सारी समस्या को नहीं, उनके प्रॉब्लम्स को नहीं समझते हैं, राइट? सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. वो आज आई विल गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल. माय फादर टोल्ड मी, मैंने फादर को अभी बहुत रिसेंटली मैंने बोला था कि पापा मैंने आपको बाइक इतने सालों तक मांगा, आपने बाइक नहीं दिया मुझे, राइट? डू यू नो व्हाट ही सेड? अगर बेटा मैं तेरे को बाइक दे देता ना, मैं रात भर सो नहीं पाता, राइट? मैं रात भर सो नहीं पाता, बिकॉज टिल द टाइम यू आर नॉट बैक, और मुझे रात को रिंग होगा तो मुझे लगेगा कि मेरे बेटे का कोई एक्सीडेंट का कॉल आया हुआ है. See, you have to understand a parent perspective also as a son, right? I know we have plenty of resources to be given it to the children. Let our child travel in that bus, no? Right? To understand it. और उन्होंने सही बोला था. Even I feel कि मैंने मेरे बच्चों को बाहर भेजा है, till the time he is not back, we are concerned. So he said, if I should have given you a bike, I should not never slept that night. And every
Absolutely.
night I should be waiting. So decision communication is very important with the teenagers.
Absolutely, I agree with you, Preetham, when you said that two most important factors, one is communication and other is trust and open communication. So if there is an authoritarian father who's probably going to, especially in teenage parenting, if it's an authoritarian father, the communication seems to be stopping after a while, because a father seems to overpower or over dictate on certain situations, and at that time communication stops and the further problems arise, is what I feel is the conclusion out of this. We have few questions which are coming from Sonia. She says that she especially wants to know from you because she has twins, toddlers of 2.6 years old, and the communication is something which is not happening with them. And you at least had a girl and a boy, so probably it was good to manage because both were not hyperactive. But how do we manage two children, twins, who are hyperactive, and communication is not working at that age.
Okay, Sonia, to be very, thank you for bringing the twins into picture. I've really enjoyed a lot. I know about my sleepless nights. Yesterday night itself, we all four, me, Sunita, and both the kids were talking about our initial days of feeding throughout the night. Feeding a child in the night, one child, it is very easy. But when you are talking about एक को दूध पिलाना और again after another 1 hour, another half an hour, you have to give milk to somebody else. And yes, that is the time where I understand the role of a father, which is very, very important, right? Bringing Sonia again, and another thing is I had a very good experience of handling a twins at home, because I come from a joint family, and even my brother had another twins at home. So we had some experiences initially, and it was very easy for us. And हमको हमेशा लगता था, हमको तो बहुत मजा आता था. We are almost like a proud, again, a proud parent, a twins. हमने सोचा सब कुछ एक साथ हो जाएगा. It was easy to go to the doctor. And हमने again we have seen that एक ही टाइम पे सब कुछ खत्म हो जा रहा है. Time is easy. हमें लगा कि एक भाई को बहन मिल रहा है, एक बहन को भाई मिल रहा है, and they have company to play together. So that was also a good thing. हमें एक ही पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग में जाना था. So we have taken it very positively from day one, because we were excited, because even the world, even the community, even the social circle see you in a different way. And if you take it positively, enjoy that twins. अरे सबको वो चीज नहीं मिलता है. And if you have got it, enjoy that time. This is not tiredness. This is, आपको थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट देना पड़ता है. मुझे पता है कि how my nights were and how my days at office was, but I was enjoying every time. आपको पता है, I'm into a school. I run schools, and the day we came home, I went to my uniform guy and I said, यार मुझे 100 वो लॉन्गोट बना के दे दो. I know Sunita got 100 longboats in day 3 itself, right? We know how frequently we used to change that, and with all resources also, we were all into doing all that sort of things. Twins को positive लो, आपको सब कुछ अच्छा दिखाई देगा. That is what I have believed it, because that experience
Absolutely.
is what you will see every time you go. बर्थडे एक साथ, तो एक चीज एक ही साथ खत्म हो जाता है. स्कूल वंस, शॉपिंग वंस, राइट? Yes, boys and girls are there, but again, that is a new talks.
Pritam bhai, I really agree with you that I think we should start enjoying the entire journey of having twins. Not many of us are blessed to have twins. Though first 5 years might be the most tough years while bringing up a twins, but I'm sure the entire journey is memorable, and probably you don't have a choice. Even if you have a 2.5-year-old who is not listening, you have only a choice, either to enjoy the whole process or probably look out for a resort which can help you the other way. Thank you so much. The next question is coming from Jayashri, and I think that is a very important question. She says that I understand that both husband and wife really play an important role in bringing up of a child. But what if one, either husband or wife, is a short-tempered wife, and a child has started absorbing that? So a or a short-tempered person, probably it's very difficult to manage the whole situation, and it is started affecting her child, where her child has started throwing tantrums, and he's absorbing it from the husband.
Yeah, if one is short tempered, it is better. If both are short tempered, it will be difficult. If one is short tempered, the other is there to control it. Don't worry about it, right? हमेशा एक ही चीज है, एक बात तो शांत होना है, right? Somebody has to be. Even we lose a lot of control sometimes. Even Madam has explained it very nicely on day one about हमें गुस्सा आता है, that is natural, right? We also have our angers, but in what way, that is very, very important, right? And sometimes it is okay, but again and again we need to communicate. अगर देखो, even I have anger, Sunita controls me. अगर Sunita का है, तो I have to control her, right? So it is a win-win for both, and we have to support each other, right? ऐसा नहीं है both is losing temper and the kids are seeing us fighting. Even lot of research says the way we behave, they also expect the same for their life. कि भाई मुझे शादी नहीं करना है, मुझे बच्चा नहीं चाहिए, right? So all these things we are all watching in movies, right? So your environment, your coordination is very, very important. उनको See, even I am expressing my love to Sunita. Even we are speaking to each other very nicely. We are even but kids are able to see that how I am helping Sunita and how Sunita is helping me, right? So that is a positive note to the child also. उनको भी पता है पापा मम्मी कभी कभी लड़ाई करते हैं, पापा मम्मी डेली डेली लड़ाई करते हैं, that is also not right, right? So it is losing नहीं है कि it is a support which is required by the other partner in that situation.
Perfect. I totally agree with you that either one of the husband or wife has to be stable in that situation, and probably we need to communicate again with the child, saying ki this is one of the spurts which father or a wife is going through, and it's okay. Probably things will be okay once things calm down, and I think that's an answer for this. That takes me to the last question, saying that uh, as there's a difference. Is there a difference between raising a son and a daughter in terms of temperament? Is there a temperamental difference? They say that probably son is more active, hyperactive, whereas the daughters are probably more listening and accommodative. Um, should the fathering style change with both of them? So if they have a girl and a son, a girl and a boy, should the fathering style change with both of them?
अभी very precise, I think it should be too early for me to answer. अभी तक तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ लगा नहीं है friends, right? आगे जाके at teenage age what I'm going to react and how I'm going to react, I do not know, I have not experienced yet. But अभी तक तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा है कि मेरे daughter के लिए I have different feelings and I am really doing something different with my daughter or my son. But yes, मुझे मेरे डॉटर को पेंटिंग करना है तो मैं उनके साथ पेंटिंग कर लेता हूँ, मेरे बच्चे को ये पसंद है तो मैं सन के साथ ये कर लेता हूँ. पर आई रियली नॉट सीन कि एट दिस एज ऑफ 5.5 years I am giving something different to son and a daughter. I really do not, I have not experienced yet.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Preetham bhai. It was really an enlightening session. I think what I take out of your session is that our kids are watching us, and probably a girl is looking at a father as a role model, and probably son is looking as a role model with a mother in their future partners as well. So it's very important the way fathers conduct themselves, especially in this time. And I think all viewers also have certain takeaways. It would be great if viewers can put in their comments what is their takeaway from today's session. And if at all you have any questions to Preetham sir, you can post it on WhatsApp, on our Facebook exclusive group, and tag Preetham sir on that. So he will answer any specific questions you have. Thank you so much. We also have another session of panel with Young Turks Talks, where we have kids who have done exceptionally well, who are going to come on the panel in another 20 minutes and going to talk with us on Online Parenting Summit. Thank you so much. I also request all the parents who are here listening to us, if you have not done today's family challenge, please go to the portal, access the portal, and make sure you do that family challenge. These are only curated to make sure that the entire journey, this 15 days journey of Online Parenting Summit, is a memorable one. Those who have not signed up for Online Parenting Summit, it's starting in 4 days. From 20th of July, we are launching first module. We are going from actually knowing what sort of a learner your child is, from knowing what sort of a parent are you, then knowing what sort of superpowers you can give to your child. There are a lot of people talking about how to make sure that you communicate with your child well so that your child listens to you. How are you going to celebrate the entire journey of parenthood? So the entire parenting summit is divided in 9 days, which is started from 28th of July. Those who have not registered, you can go on the link which is given below and do register. Thank you so much. Thank you, Preetham bhai, so much. All viewers who have questions, they will absolutely post to you on the exclusive Facebook exclusive group. Please answer them at your convenient time.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you for having me here. And thank you to all listeners. Thank you so much. And best wishes. Do the best as a parent. Thank you.
Thank you so much.